Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Seema. So as you all know guys, I'm learning English, and what I'm learning related this, I upload video on YouTube. So you all know guys, today is Independence Day. It is Independence Day today, so this is a very special day for everyone. So happy Independence Day you all guys. So guys, in this video we will know meaning of beat around the bush. So beat around the bush का मतलब होता है बात को घुमा फिरा कर करना. अगर हमें बोलना है कि बात को घुमा फिरा कर मत करो, डोंट बीट अराउंड द बुश, डोंट बीट अराउंड द बुश. तुम बात को घुमा फिरा कर क्यों कर रही हो? वाई आर यू बीटिंग अराउंड द बुश, वाई आर यू बीटिंग अराउंड द बुश. बात को घुमा फिरा कर मत करो, सीधे काम की बात करो. डोंट बीट अराउंड द बुश, कम टू द पॉइंट. डोंट बीट अराउंड द बुश, कम टू द पॉइंट. वह हमेशा बात को घुमा फिरा कर करती है. सी ऑलवेज बीट अराउंड द बुश, सी ऑलवेज बीट अराउंड द बुश. सो गाइज, this is phrase. So guys, if we talk in English and using phrases, then our English looks very attractive and advanced. So these days I'm learning phrases, and I'm trying to use in my English speaking. So that's why I'm telling you guys, if you are also learner, and so come with me and join me. We will learn together, and you don't be disappointed that I'm from village, I'm from Hindi medium, I cannot speak in English. So guys, it doesn't matter where are you from, it doesn't matter. It's matter that you are learning daily, and you are giving more time in learning English. So guys, I'm also Hindi medium student, and I'm learning English daily, and this day I can speak English, just simple speaking. I cannot speak advanced English, but I have no any problem, because I'm happy, I'm satisfied with me that I'm learning, and next some month and some years I can be fluent if I will give effort. So guys, I think it will be helpful for you, and if you enjoyed my video, then like, subscribe and share. So see you in the next video guys. Bye bye for today.